Hello, in this video you will learn how to optimize picture and text placement in your e-learning. First, ensure your text and images are positioned correctly on each slide for readability and understanding. Consider using interactive elements or pop-up screens for additional information, keeping the main slide clean. Position feedback next to the original practice activity or question interaction for easy comparison without navigating to another page. Instructions and directions should be clear and prominently placed for seamless navigation. Finally, the image and graphic labels provide context. Position the name and part description near the corresponding part on the visual without cluttering the slide. And there you have it. Optimizing picture and text placement enhances engagement and understanding. Thank you for watching.